Hello everyone, welcome to our free mastery course on food manufacturing business presented to you again by Nigeria Food Packaging. Today our focus is on the technique used in the manufacturing food industry. What do we understand by the word techniques? This is simply a way of carrying out a particular task, either a procedure or a mode of achieving a food product or food. One thing we should bear in mind is that every food sector has its own unique techniques and in some cases differ from one another. Quickly, let's see the techniques used in some food industry. Let's start with the catering and baking sector. In this sector, most of the food entrepreneur here uses recipe, food engineering, creaming method, whisking method, sieving of flour, food packaging, melting, and rubbing method and others. So as a new entrepreneur, you love the catering and baking food sector. You know you have to engage in knowing how to do some of these basic skills in order to succeed. Next is the agro-processing food sector. Techniques require here are drying or dehydration, freezing, fermentation, scaling, milling or grinding, threshing, um, washing, cooking, food packaging, pasteurization, pickling, curing, frying, and many others. These techniques help your food product to taste well, preserve, and deliver a highly quality food product for your final consumers or for distribution. For the import and export food sector, you have these few techniques. You have inspection, food packaging, food analysis, and many others. I want to be I won't be covering all these food sector because it's too broad and I'm working with time. So let's see the food business, which is um where I'm going to be stopping for today. In the food business sector, we have storage, management, inspection, sourcing, packaging, and others. Now, I believe you are familiar with few techniques used in the different food sector, and you might be wondering, how does this relate to a finished food product or food? Please don't worry so much as I'm going to be showing you how these techniques are used in the food manufacturing industry to make a finished or semi-finished food product. As a bonus, I will be giving you one or two examples to practice with. Who knows, that might be your very first food product. Thank you for staying with me to the end. See you all tomorrow. And tomorrow we're going to be looking on the how to process food and package. Okay. Thank you once more. Take care. Bye.